What's good, Danny Digital? You already know it's time. Yeah.
No water make the pain hurt my veins, then 40 days, 40 nights, it just been the same to the prosperous Nostradamus. I bring that conscious brain to the back of the cerebellum of balance. I'm insane, what the Hannibal Lecter. It's time to eat the brain to the came from a broken condom, low-key in the slums of Gotham. What's spreading? I'm spreading news, shouting, lyrical dropping pollen, impress no dress. A heartless player, stick my index finger in the mouth of 1,000 gators. Haters never understood my potential ground. Who gave the babies down? Made them scared of to hit the clown. This my stomping gown. James Brown, no time for Bobby Brown. S-wave, electrical sound. Submarine nigga, you been dying to drown. He came for the absolute power. Cripple man rebuilt the Twin Towers. Asteroid showers. Rocket man landing on a golden flower. I'm like green lit and mixed with some awesome power. Will Ferrell, no time for that Colin Farrell. One barrel, one shovel, one gun. You stun nigga from Brooklyn. Scooby Snack, Spider-Man blunt. New stunt man. Mega Man, Super Blaster Crunch. Your whole skeleton for lunch. Intuition, presidential profiling. This is for my nigga Scoop locked up on the island. How's your meditation? How they treating you? Tell me if they feeding you. I send ninja assassins if they beating you. Transform the Vegeta, Piccolo, Namek, freezing you. Sword play, cycle spinning. Zelda broken arrow blending. One fended for the rest.
Yo, this fucking rap is awesome. Have your face looking like Action Bronson when Papa Wu ran up on him. The MC you've never seen before. I'm the illest, hands down like a Ouija board. As weird it seems, I've even appeared in dreams. I'm a pharaoh that hustles, that's pyramid schemes. I start movements like John Von Neumann. In dark fusion, large mutant, half human. Part shark like Mark Cuban. Go hard like hard Dugans. From Ryu and Ken, I'll battle you, buy you a pen, then try you again. It's an evident theory with evidence clearly that my legend is nearly as wonderful as Kevin O'Leary's. The industry is threatened severely. Won't stop till I'm giving royalty checks and reverence yearly. Too sick for y'all to ever come near me. The flow is terminal, switching styles that close reversible. You know I'm versatile, my poems are worshipful. A fact that's known and so observable, discernible, like rolling in a stolen gold convertible. Alone in the dark, composing poems to Mozart, the most coldest at heart. My style's an unknown art. Behold, I pose like a lotus when froze. Remote control, locomotive mode, wrote it in code. Your frontal lobe will explode when overloaded with flows. Here it goes, I cause wormholes to open and close. I'm so focused, I suppose that folks, most of them know. Like melanoma, it's hard not to notice the growth. Chauvinist toast, yeah, that's my showbiz approach. The Count of Monte Cristo, proposes toast to the ghost. Peanut butter, jelly, and toast. Bellicose, indigo, I can do anything when I think slow. I'm the professor of the static residual pressure. And I work the sheepdog records. Oops.